calm, quiet, and the oldest one, very good one. Hopefully he will be tamed very quick. It becomes kind of hybrid of their parents, his parents. We still don't know his gender. I'm thinking it might be, I wish it could be a male, because male are the one who sings mostly. So yeah, didn't give the name, we'll see. But it seems like they're not scared of us anymore. They know, he knows who am I. এটা albino হবে, এর eyes red, yellow and white. This is one of the thing we will be looking at more closely to see what it becomes. Very aggressive one, very aggressive. It dominates everyone when at this young age.